Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh with tips for voice actors from VoiceOver Extra. If you don't now, you will spend a lot of time in your booth. Always try to reply to emails in a timely manner. Add an auto reply to your email to let your clients know it's been received and that you will get back to them as soon as possible. Keep your clients engaged with emails from time to time. Let them know what you're up to, what you've done lately, anything that keeps you on their mind. Keep your website up to date. This says a lot about who you are and what kind of service one can expect from you. Join me for Mojo Friday on the first and third Friday of each month for tips for voice actors from VoiceOver Extra. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's time to get your mojo working.